Chaos in the parliament of Zimbabwe parikuda panguva ino tichiona kuti pane madevelopments ari kuonekwa kunzi legislators who voted for the constitutional amendment bill number 3. They were promised $30,000, but at the time around before they voted, they were given $10,000 such that they can vote yes to the bill. But panguva ino after they had finally voted for the bill, pane madevelopments ari kuda some of the legislators vamwe vakazopiwa the balance ngaisiri enough, vamwe vakapiwa, pamwe pakaita ma-issues not subscribe like on the bill icon. Tiona pahindu yalini yamo vachiposta ma-pictures, tichiona vana Ziyambi vachiposta ma-videos evictory vachiti CAB3 it has passed. Panguva ino tichiona vanhu vachivhotera yes, more than 2/3 majority ichisupport the bill. Panguva ino lini ema nomudanyira achiti Ziyambi promised to pay opposition MPs $30,000 for them to vote yes to CAB3. He paid them $10,000 each before the vote and promised to pay the rest after the vote. However, when the time to deliver came after the vote, he only paid a handful of MPs. Some were only given $6,000 and the rest of Chabangu MPs were told that there was no cash left. Some of the MPs even struggled with the transport money to return to their respective constituencies that they betrayed. This is the model by Temu president. The same fate that Professor Moyo, Zivu, and many others who were purchased to support CAB3 are facing. Enjoy the price of betrayal. Doma developments abuda panguva ino kuri kuchemewa ma-legislators after panguva ino they've sold out. Kuonekwa kunzi vorasiswa bhora musango chaiyo amene kuti tichapera sei, but chanongozikanwa nemunhu wese ndechekuti supporting these Ugandans at the end of the day you are going to cry. Kuna comment section menu zafungu enyi botu dipa msoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, njoto nitron the bell icon.